Welcome to another episode of Happy Pinoy Traveler. I'm Bryan. Join Aleth and me as we search for budget-friendly options for our fellow happy travelers. We are now in Singapore and booked this economical hotel in the Geylang area. Watch to the end where the full cost and other details will be disclosed. Remember to like and subscribe to the Happy Pinoy Traveler YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook to stay updated with our new travel happy videos. Situated on Lorong 6, Ibis Budget Singapore Emerald is part of Accor, a leading augmented hospitality group that handles top-notch hotels such as Raffles, Sofitel, Mercure, and Novotel. Although it may be some distance from the city center, Geylang is still safe for commuters and pedestrians. Families with children will always feel secure and safe anywhere in Singapore, even late at night. As a budget hotel, Ibis Emerald is a medium-rise building. A vending machine is outside before you enter the 8-story yellow and blue structure. It has a small minimalist lobby with ample seating, a water dispenser, and a reception desk where English-speaking guest relations personnel are available 24/7. The check-in procedure is standard and efficient. Just hand them your passport and booking details for confirmation. No security deposit was asked of us during our stay. If you arrive early for the 3 p.m. check-in time, they can store your luggage and you can go out to see what's around the neighborhood.
Hello Happy Pinoy Travelers and welcome to Singapore. Ako si Aleth and iikot ko kayo dito sa Ibis Emerald dito sa Geylang. So we're here in the room. Sa pagkaliwa mo, nandito agad yung bathroom. Nandyan yung toilet na walang bidet, tapos kumpleto na yung tuwalya, yung shower with hot and cold running water, toiletries, may dental kit, and yung sink. Tapos dito naman sa side ng door, makikita mo yung sabitan ng mga damit. Meron dito patungan ng mga maleta. Tapos may small writing desk. Nandito yung tissue, hair dryer, yung kettle for the daily coffee. Tapos, because this is Singapore, hindi masyado malaking rooms, but ang ganda ng quality. Malinis, walang amoy. Tapos ito, yung dalawang single beds na may window, makikita mo street view yan. So, halika, punta tayo sa Singapore, ikot-ikot pa tayo, and just follow us for our next Travel Happy.
Being an Accor hotel, rooms are well maintained. It's immaculate and lightsome. Our superior room has 2 single-size beds and comes complete with a TV, Wi-Fi access, an electric kettle, daily coffee and tea, a hair dryer, basic toiletries, towels, and shower gel. The toilet didn't have a bidet, so remember to bring your tabo like we always do. Daily water and plastic bottles are not supplied to lessen single-use plastic. Public Utilities Board of Singapore has declared its tap water safe to drink. Don't forget to bring your tumblers and save on drinking water costs as you roam around the city. Also, bring an electric adapter for your gadgets as some sockets are the 3-pronged Singapore type. Available as an option was a superior room with 1 double-sized bed. The rooms do not come with breakfast as the lodging doesn't have a dining outlet. Instead, there are so many local restaurants and hawkers in the vicinity. There is a 7-Eleven nearby and a host of other convenience stores. Even the famous Value Dollar store is blocked away for your pasalubong needs. To get around, it's very convenient to book with Grab. The National Stadium where Taylor Swift had her concert is only 10 to 15 minutes by car. Many bus stops are located around the area too. Alginid MRT station is near Lorong 6, around 15 to 20 minutes by foot. The 3-day 2-night Singapore package includes well-appointed accommodation at Ibis Budget Singapore Emerald, airport pickup upon arrival, hotel pickup for your return flight, a half-day city tour by an English-speaking driver, a pre-departure call to brief you on your itinerary and immigration tips, and virtual assistance for the entire duration of your trip. We were able to book this with ALBRESSA Travel for 8,388 pesos per person. This is perfect for those who want to enjoy their vacation and not have the hassle of putting it together. Look for ALBRESSA Travel on Facebook and check out their current promo rates and other exciting destinations. You may find the link in the description. Would you consider Ibis Budget Singapore Emerald Hotel when you go to Singapore? Comment below and tell us what you think of it. Like all Singaporeans say, everything in Singapore is just 30 minutes away. From Ibis Budget Singapore Emerald, it's easy to get to popular destinations using the MRT. Universal Studios Singapore is very accessible from Ibis Budget Singapore Emerald. Just take a 15 to 20 minute stroll from Lorong 6 to Alginid MRT Station Green Line. Go to Outram Park Station and transfer to the Purple Line, which will take you to Harbourfront. From there, you walk into Vivo City to ride the Sentosa Express Line, which takes you directly to the Universal Studios Singapore or USS. If you want to go to Marina Bay Sands, go down Paya Lebar Station and transfer to the Yellow Line from Alginid Station Green Line. Go down at Bayfront Station, which is a 10 to 15 minute walk from the shops of Marina Bay Sands. Gardens by the Bay, Art Science Museum, and Spectra Light Show are all located in Marina Bay Sands. Singapore is ready and waiting for you. Traveling there need not be for crazy rich Asians only. Even the happy Pinoy traveler on a budget can also enjoy this city-state. So, remember to like and subscribe to the Happy Pinoy Traveler YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook so you can discover better alternatives to make your vacation planning more efficient and easier. Travel smart to travel happy. Type Happy Singapore in the comment section if you want a Singapore itinerary video.